Hi, this is Sandra Henry-Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on NetworkWorld. In this Linux tip, we take a look at the tldr command, which, as I understand, means too long didn't read. In other words, man pages are sometimes way too long to read through when you just want some quick hints on how to use a particular command. No problem. To use tldr, just type tldr followed by the name of the command that you want to better understand and press return. So here we go. I want to learn about the date command. Press return. And you see what I get is this description of all the different ways that you can use this command. Well, that is your Linux tip for the tldr command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the NetworkWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.